for the sake that it was a gap, but for the sake of the direction that you were already looking to go anyways. You basically got the next buy on sale. That's all you did, was get the next buy on sale, because that's, if the gap wasn't present, you still knew you were looking to buy, right? Why would you not buy it on sale for you to write it up? I had 100% winning ratio on gap trades, and I was very foolish. First off, nothing has to do anything, right? And it might in 3 years, but that's not going to help your account. So yes, in theory, the perception is that it's supposed to close. But first off, those gaps are not always present broker to broker. Sometimes it's only an individual platform thing. Secondly, it's allowed to actually make that adjustment and maintain that adjustment for 10 years even. My biggest, most memorable loss was a huge summer of, gap 99. Wasn't 1999, but it was awful. I was so overconfident that it had to turn around. I was, scaling into it. When I realized it wasn't turning around, I hedged. I kept it going for a good little shy of 2 months, if I'm not mistaken, but it crashed. It crashed a very sizable account, all because I was, beyond sure. And the term close also, I think, is subjective.